This video is going to help you to determine your tiers for the Math 003 course. The number of tiers that you need to complete is all based on your program of study. So if you have not checked your eval screen in your web attendance, this video is going to help you to determine your tiers for the Math 003 course. The number of tiers that you need to complete is all determined by your program of study. So if you do not know which curriculum math course you're going to need to take for your program of study, it will be a good idea to ask your advisor or the Eagles One Stop, or if you're in a city class, you can ask your instructor. What I would recommend you do is to watch this full video, which you are actually watching now, and you need to print out the How to Use the Math 003 Transition Course handout. This handout is going to help you determine how the class works and also which modules or which tiers you need to complete. So just click on the link, open it up, and you can print this handout out just like you did your syllabus and like you did some of the other handouts that we've told you about in the class. You will see that what each tier is comprised of. Everyone must complete tier 1, so everyone will be doing the first 8 units. Some of you, based on your program of study, will need to complete tier 2, and some of you, based on your program of study, will actually need to complete all 3 tiers. So what you need to do is check with your advisor, see which tiers you need to complete in this course, and then let your instructor know that. Good luck in the course.